In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer menu in Leadpages. By the end, you'll have a clean, modern, responsive footer with 3 clear columns, social media icons, and a polished copyright line, all optimized for desktop and mobile. Start by opening your page in the Leadpages editor and adding a new footer section near the bottom of your layout. Choose a simple 3-column layout. Keep the background neutral, think white or a soft gray, and make sure your text color has strong contrast for readability. Set generous padding at the top and bottom so the footer feels airy, not crowded. In the first column, add a small heading labeled Company. Under that, add 3 text links: About, Contact, and Careers. Keep each on its own line for clarity. Use consistent font size and weight so the hierarchy is obvious. A slightly bolder heading, followed by regular weight links. Link each item to the appropriate page or section. In the second column, create a heading called Resources. Add 3 links beneath it: Blog, FAQ, and Support. Match the styling from the first column so everything feels cohesive. If you're using a link list or navigation widget, keep spacing uniform between items and avoid long descriptions. Short, scannable labels work best. In the third column, add a heading titled Legal. Place 2 links here: Privacy Policy and Terms of Service. These should be easy to find but visually unobtrusive. If you need to differentiate them slightly, you can use a subtle color shift on hover rather than bold styling. Below the 3 columns, add a row for social media icons. Use the social icon widget. Pick only the platforms you actively use and link each icon to the correct profile. Keep icon size consistent and set them to open in a new tab. A single color or simple outline style will maintain the minimalist look. Finally, add a small line of copyright text at the very bottom. Center it, reduce the font size slightly, and keep it concise. For example, C. Year. Your company. All rights reserved. Maintain adequate spacing so the text doesn't crowd the icons or the page edge. Switch to mobile preview. Ensure the columns stack vertically in the correct order. Check that tap targets are comfortable, and adjust padding so nothing feels cramped. Test the links, confirm contrast, and make sure the footer looks balanced on both large and small screens. That's it. Your modern, responsive Leadpages footer is ready.